my dear children. Today we are going to General Paper 10. This consists of 25 questions. Then I have sent the general paper yesterday. I will think you all get ready to discuss this. And if you don't worry, you can go to the description box and there is a link. You can download the general paper. Then I have included 25 questions here, and after the session, I want to evaluate whether this is successful or not. So that I will provide you a Google Form test paper around 7 p.m. Please don't forget, do it and submit. Click the submit button. Then after that, you can go to the preview and you can get the marks. And it is a great thing if you can include the marks in the comment box. So I will start the session now. Our first question, one thing I have to tell, then our order of the paper has changed this time, right? Always I am starting with the first lesson question. So I have changed it a little bit, right? Here we'll go to the first question. From the following figures, underline the figures with bilateral symmetry. What is the meaning of bilateral is with two. Then we can cut into two equal halves using one axis of symmetry only. So we can see only two figures, this arrow and this heart. The other two, this is a star, this has several axes here. And this is called this radial symmetry. And this is also radial symmetrical figures. There are several axes. Through these several axes, you can, several is mean uncountable number of axes in circle, right? That lot of through the center, if you cut any axis, you can get two equal halves in this circle. So, but in this one only one axis. So for them we are saying bilateral symmetrical figures. And this one and this heart. But circle have uncountable number of axes. This is radial symmetry and this is also radial. And next question, what is the rotational symmetry of the following figure? Then what is the meaning of rotational? You can see the meaning of this word even, right? It's hidden inside the word rotational. Now you can cut the same figure, same as like this, same size like this. Then you can, to the center, you can pick this to this and rotate that figure. While rotating, how many times it is coincide? Right? Then that is the rotational symmetry. If I cut, then we can cut through this and we can go to equal halves and we can cut. First I will cut through the vertices, right? This vertex and this vertex, two equal halves, and this vertex and this vertex. And this vertex. You can get, they are coincide if you rotate like this, and through this one, through this. What is the rotational symmetry? There are 6 axes of symmetry, that is the rotational symmetry. Here, if you rotate, you can get, it is coinciding 6 times. Then find the angle of rotation. When we are finding the angle of rotation, the full rotation is 360. You can divide by rotational symmetry. That is 6. 360 divided by 6. How much? 60. Angle of rotation is 60 degrees. Next one, write the reciprocal of. What is the reciprocal? Reciprocal is mean if you multiply 8 over 5, look at cancel out below the line, over the line, cancel, giving 1, right? Then this is the reciprocal, then 8 over 5. Then upside down, we can change this, 8 over 5. What about this? Reciprocal of 5. If you multiply this is by 1 over 5, cancel out 5 and 5, then answer is 1. So what is the reciprocal here? Reciprocal is 1/5. Calculate. You have to find the common denominator of this. The common denominator is 56. 56 divisible by 28 as well as 8. So how many 28s there for 56? 2. So multiply denominator by 2. Then numerator also have to multiply it by 2. To make this 856, you have to multiply this is by 7, then 3 also by 7. 3 times 7, 21 over 8 times 7, 56 plus 10 over 56. Common denominator 56, 21 and 10, 31. 5 times 3, 15 and 1, 16 over 5 into 8 times 5, 40 and 5, 45 over 8. Cancel out how many 8s 1, how many 8s 2. Here 1, here 9. Then answer is 2 times 9, 18. Find the value of x. So what can you say about? We have learned during the angle lesson. What is that? Angle at a point add up to 360. So by using that concept, you can find the unknown angle x. Then x plus 85 plus 135 plus 90 equals 360. Angle, sum of angles at a point. So add this all. 85, 135, 90. 5 and 5, 10, 1 remainder, 9 and 3, 12 and 9, 21, 1 remainder, 210. X plus 210, 310, because 2 remainder, borrow this 2 here, 310. 310 equals 360, x equals 360 minus 310, x equals 50. What is the angle here? That is 50. Next question. Find the value of x. You know, angles at a straight line add up to 180. You can use that concept to find this x. So this straight line, all the angles add up to 180. X plus 2x plus 90 equals 180. Angle sum of a straight line. If not, you can say supplementary angles, right? Add up to 180. 3x plus 90 equals 180. 3x equals 180. Borrow this 9 to other side, minus 90. 3x equals 90. Divide this side by 3, this side also by 3. Cancel out over the line and below the line. 90 divided by 3, that is how much? 30. X equals 30. X equal 30. Next question. What is the, name 3 interior angle. What is the meaning of inside angle? So, what are the interior angles here? A, B, C. A angle, B angle, C angle. Name 3 exterior angles. Only 3 exterior angles because this is a triangle, right? Triangle has 3 interior angles and 3 exterior angles. So 3 exterior angles we can write D, E, F. What is the sum of interior angle and an exterior angle? If you add this interior angle as an example, A plus D, that is forming a straight line. So you know 180. Then you can write interior angle plus exterior angle equals 180. Next question. Draw a rough sketch to show DEF angles meet at point to give 360. So what I am going to do, I will remove this D separately. Remove this E separately. I will remove this F also separately. And I will take them here like this. Like this. Right, then it's appear like this. This is D, this is E, this is F. So what will happen? This all add up to 3 plus E plus F. Add up to 360. We want to show this diagram, right? Next question. Write the suitable values in the blanks. The sum of interior angles of a triangle is, what is this? Sum of interior angles of triangles 180 and sum of exterior angles are 360. Right? Exterior angles add up to 360. Interior angles add up to 180. And angles at a straight line add up to 180. Angles at a point add up to 360. The sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 and the exterior angles of quadrilateral also 360. Don't forget, every day I am saying you, any polygon, even triangle, even quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, exterior angles always 360. But interior angles different according to the number of sides. Find NP. So NP, number of elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. NP equals 5. If phi equals quadrilaterals, write phi elements of P. Then we can write P elements. What are the quadrilaterals? First I will mention square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus. The other one is what? Trapezium. Then what is the difference between parallelogram and rhombus? We know it, but I will explain additional thing. Parallelogram mean opposite sides are equals and parallel. Opposite sides. This side equal to this side is difference length. But if we consider the rhombus, all the sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. That is the small difference between them, right? That's the difference between this parallelogram and rhombus, but they didn't ask about that. They asked only the quadrilaterals. So P equals, you can write the elements inside the curly brackets. Next question, calculate 5.5 into 3.3. 5.5, 3.3. 3 times 5, 15, 1 remainder, 3 times 5, 15 and 1, 16, 3 times 5, 15, 1 remainder, 3 times 5, 15 and 1, 16. 5, 11, 7, 1. Now count the number of decimal places, 1, 2, then 17.15. 17.15. Next question. add these two. 2. 5 and 2. This is in kilogram. 5 and 2, that is 7. And 7 and 9, 16. Then write the 6 here. One reminder, 9. 9 ton and 672 kilograms. Mm, 3, 4 and 3, yeah, correct. Next one. Write the number of edges vertices in a regular octahedron. So, what is called a regular octahedron? It's mean a figure like this. I will just draw the net and show you. One, it consists of 8 triangular pieces like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This part is no need. Oh. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, this is the net of that. There are how many edges in this figure? Edges is mean there. If you fold this, you will find here how many edges? 12 edges are there, regular octahedron. And if you fold this and make the figure, there are how many vertices? 6. 6 are there. Then what is the Euler's relationship? Euler's relationship is mean vertices plus faces equals edges plus 2. So short form V plus F equal E plus 2. This is the Euler's relationship. And prove that Euler's relationship is true for this figure. Yeah, we want to show this is true. So, what is the number of vertices? 6. Number of faces here, number of faces is 8. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 faces are here. Edges 12 plus 2. Look at here 14 and this side also 14. Then Euler's relationship is true for this figure. Find the value of 625 divided by 25. 625 divided by 25, that is 25. So when we divide like this, 625 by 25, there are several methods of doing this. So I will show you first easy method. Instead of division sign, I will write here multiplication sign 1 over 0.25, reciprocal of this, right? Then I want to remove the decimal places because with decimal places, I know it is difficult for you, 2 places to remove, so multiplied by 100, multiplied by 100. So 625 into 100 over 25. Now look at 100 divided by 25, how much? That is 4. Then 625 multiplied by 4, it means, what is the value here? That is 2000, right? Answer is 2000. 2000, no. Sorry, 2500. because 25, our answer is 2000. And you had to add more 2 zeros to this one. Right? No need to spend the energy. You had to add 2 more zeros to this because 2 decimal places here. So you can add 2 zeros to this one. Find the value of 324 square root. 324 square root. So you can use the prime factorization method. That is the easiest way of finding this one. 324. I just use the rub work. 324 divide by smallest 5 number 2. 162 again divide by 2. 81 again divide by 3. 27 divide by 3. 9 divide by 3. 3 divide by 3. 1. 2, 1, 3 from this, 1, 3 from this, multiply. 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 3, 18. Then square root of 324 is, even we can write like this, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, square root. 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 4 square root. You know, then when we are finding the powers, the square root is, you can divide power here 2 by 2, 3 into, sorry, this is 2. 2 into 3 to the power 4. This power divide by 2, 3 to the power 2. 2 times 9, 80. Find the value of 15 into 2.8. Multiply. 15 into 2.8. Don't concern about the decimal, first multiply, then you can separate the decimal places. 15, 28, 8 times 5, 44, remainder, 8 times 1, 8, 8 and 4, 12, 120. 2 times 5, 10, 1 remainder, 2 and 1, 330, 0, 2, 4, 420. So 1 decimal place, 42. The answer is 42. 42 or 32. 42. I will recheck the answer again. 15, 28, 8 times 5, 44, remainder, 8 and 4, 12. 122 times 5, 10, 1 remainder, 2 and 1, 330. 0 to 42. Yes. 42. Next one. The ratio between A and B is 3 to 4. I will write A, B, C because C also there. Then A to B is 3 to 4. B to C is 5 to 2. So you have to find the ratio between A, B, C. This times 5 times 3, 15. I will write here. I don't have space, so I will write it here. 5 times 3, 15, 2. 4 times 5, 20. 2 times 4, 8. 15 to 20 to 8. This is the ratio. Amita, Sunita and Dilufa are friends. The ratio of weight 6 to 4 to 5. Sunita's weight is 40 kilogram. Find the weight of Dilufa. Amita, Dilufa Sorry, Sunita. Dilufer. Write the ratios here. 6 to 4 to 5. This is ratio. Total ratio. Total ratio 6 plus 4 plus 5. 6 and 4, 10 and 5, 15. Then Sunita's weight is 40 kilograms. Sunita is middle one, right? Then we can write if not, we can write Sunita's part 5. Sunita's part is how much here? 4. Right? Then 4 parts equals, it means 4 over 15 equals 40 kilogram. Then we can write 1 part, Sunita's weight. I don't have each space, so I will erase the upper part and I will take this space here. To do this, 40 kilogram. So 1 part. Equals 40 kilogram divided by 40. Right? Then Dilu first part is how much here? 5. Then 10 kilogram. Then Dilu for weight equals 40. Sorry, 10. 10 parts. 1 part is mean 10. So 5 parts belongs to Dilu for. So we can write 10 kilogram multiplied by 5. 50 kilogram. Dilufa is 50 kilogram. And you can follow another method also for this. Then I will explain that thing also for your better understanding. Sorry. I will erase this part. Except doing this, this is the methodical way of doing. Like this also you can write as fraction. Their weights you can write as fractions. You can write here Amita's 6 over 15 part as a fraction. This one 4 over 15. The other one 5 over 15. So we wrote the weight as fractions. So total weight. From the total weight, they gave this whose weight has given Sunita's. 4 over 15 equals how much here? 4 over 15 equals 40 kilogram. So total weight we can get the total weight here. Take to other side 40 into borrow this 4 over 50 to other side, upside down, change 15 over the line, 4 below the line, 10. 10 into 15, 150 kilogram. Then you know the DeLooper, and DeLooper fraction is 5 over 50. DeLooper's weight. Equals 150 into 5 over 15. Divide. 10 into 5, 50 kilograms. Same answer you can obtain this way also. Then any method you can follow. Factorize 15a plus 18b. Look at this thing, 15, 18. You have to take the common factor out. 3 is common, right? So I will take 3 out. 15 divided by 3, that is 5a plus 6b. Next one. As a product of factors, so here also you have to take the common factor. Here divisible by 4, here 4, here 4. Take 4 here, here a, here also a, here also a. 4a out. Then 2 plus b minus c. Express as a product of powers. Then a to the power 3 into b to the power 3. Expand the brackets here. A to the power 3 into b to the power 3. You can see here, plane figure, number of axes of bilateral symmetry, order of rotational symmetry. Equilateral triangle. If you take 3, order of rotational symmetry also 3 here. And look at parallelogram. Parallelogram, no axis of symmetry. Parallelogram, 0. Order of rotational. If you rotate, it's coincide 2 times. So we can take 2. Rhombus. Yes, number of axes of bilateral 2. Order of rotational also 2 here. Regular hexagon. Problem is here. A mistake. This is 6 and this is also 6. Regular hexagon. Number of axes of bilateral symmetry 6. Order of rotational also 6. 13. Write the elements word Anuradhapura, the letters in word Anuradhapura. So we can write x equals elements right inside this. A, N, you have to separate by using commas. U, R. Again, we can't take A. We can take D, H, A, P, U. Other letters are there. So, D, H, only P we can take up to this. If A is null set, write the examples for A. I will write multiples of 6 between 1 and 5. Are there? No. Six. 1 and 5. Write the set A using symbols. We have to use the symbols. For that we are saying null set. If not, we can represent A empty. Any of this you can use to represent this. Calculate the area of the triangle ABC according to given figure. Right, ABC area we have to find. So you know that in a triangle you can get the area by using half into base into perpendicular height. Area equals half into base is from here to here, that is 16. Into perpendicular height, this altitude is 10 centimeter, 10 square centimeter, then centimeter into centimeter, square centimeter. Area unit is square centimeter, 8. So answer is 80 square centimeter. Now you know the area. The other way also we can get the area, this base into this altitude. So let's find the area other way. 2 into 20 into x equals 80. Eight centimeter. Following diagram shows a sketch of rectangular piece of land. Calculate the area of the land. So first step here, length into breadth, this whole land without concerning about the roads and all, right? Area 50 meter into 30 meter, that is double zero, this zero. Then I told you, when multiplying, it is easy for you. You can get 2 zeros end of this 2. You can add these 2 zeros end of this. 5 times 3, 15. 15 square meters. And 1,500 square meters. Shaded area of the diagram are the road reserved for the lots of ABC. Calculate the total area reserved for the roads. This total area reserved for the roads you have to calculate. We got here 80 and they are constructing roads like this. Here to here 2 and 2. We can divide this into rectangular parts like this, no? Like this, this rectangle, then 2 meter. Here to here. Here to here 50. We are just removing 2 parts for this one. The 3. This length is 30. 30 into 2. First I will take this one. 30 into 2. 30 into 2 square meter, that road. Plus, let's find this road also, here to here, then half of this name. This is 25 into 2 square meter. How much then? 30 into 2, 60 square meter plus 50 square meter. Then main road, this road, these 2 roads all together 110 square meters. These roads add up to 110 square meters. So then we have to find the remaining area of the land after reserving for roads. So from 1,500 square meter, have to subtract 110 square meter. So after reserve for the roads, how much remaining? 0 subtract 0, 0. 10 subtract 1, 9. 4 subtract 1, 3. 1. 1,390 square meter. Three over 8 into 5 over 12. How many trees? 1. How many trees? 4. 5 over 32. 7 times 3, 21, 21 and 2, 23 over 7 into 14 over 23. Answer is 2. Cancel out over the line below the line. 14 divided by 7, 2. Answer is 2 here. Let's go to the 17th one. What about the 17th? 8 over 11, that is division. First convert to improper. 5 times 4, 20 and 4, 24 over 5. Then cancel out. Before that, you have to write with multiplication sign, reciprocal. 5 over 24. Now cancel out over the line. 1 8 below the line. 3 8. 1 times 5. 5 over 11 times 3. 33. Let's go to the next question. First, you have to do the bracket simplification. 2 over 3 minus 1 over 2 divide by 7 over 12. So, look at here. First, inside the bracket, you have to do the subtraction. So, it is easy. Sometimes in short way, you can do like this. 2 times 2, 4 minus 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. Divide by 7 over 12. For subtract 3, 1 over 6 into 12 over 7. 2 over 7. Two over 7. Next question. Question number 18. Yeah, question number 18. 3.42 into 0.84. Don't worry about this. Multiply for 2, 0.84. But now forget these decimals. 342, 84. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 4, 16. 1 remainder. 4 times 3, 12. 12 and 1, 30. 8 times 2, 16. 1 remainder. 8 times 4, 32 and 1, 33. 3 remainder. 8 times 3, 12. 12 and 3, 50. 8, 12, 7, 6, 1. 1, 6, 7, 2, 8. So, again I will check it. $342, 84. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 4, 16. 1 remainder. 4 times 3, 12 and 1, 13. 12 and 1, 13. Next one, 8 times 2, 16. 1 remainder. 8 times 4, 32. 32 and 1, 33. 3 remainder. 8 times 3, 24 and 3, 27. 8, 6 and 6, 12, 1 remainder, 7, 8, 2. 287 to 8. So now you have to check how many decimal places. 1, 2, 1, 2. Altogether, how many decimal? Here 2, here 2, 4 decimal places. Now start to separate the decimal places. Start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can keep the decimal in between 2 and 8. Answer is 2.8728. Next question. This one you have to divide by 1.5. So it is easy for you to do like this. 825 divide by, you can write the reciprocal of 1.5 with multiplication sign. If I write with multiplication, remove this. 1 over 1.5. I want to remove this decimal place. This is by 10. This is also by 10. 825 multiplied by 10 over 15. Now cancel out. How many? 3. How many pies? 2. How many 3s? 8 there are 2. 22, 7, 15, 5. 275 multiplied by 2. 2 times 5, 10. 1 remainder, 2 times 7, 14 and 1, 15. 1 remainder, 2 times 2, 4 and 1, 5. Answer is 550. We have another one. Fill in the blanks. This is related to the ratio. Look at here 8. To get the 8, it means this have already multiplied by 4. 8 divided by 2 and see that is 4. Right. It means if you divide 8 by 4, you are getting 2, right? Then if you divide this 20 also by 4, here you are getting answer 5. Then 4 times 5, 20, 4 times 2, 8. So we can put the answer here 5. Next question, question number 19. Nimal and Kamal have an amount of money in ratio 7 to 5. Represent the amount of Nimal as a fraction out of the total. Then Nimal, I will take another color. Nimal, Kamal. 7 to 5. Total ratio. 7 plus 5, that is 12. Nimal's amount of Nimal as a fraction. Nimal's fraction. From the total ratio, Nimal has 7 parts. 7 over 12. A father divides 2,000 among his wife, daughter, son. In ratio 5 to 2 to 3. Find the amount of money that son received. The total amount is 2,000. Then son's fraction, the total ratio 5 plus 2 plus 3. 5 and 2, 7 and 3, 10. Then son's part. Amount son received. Son received how much here? Last part is 3 parts, right? 3 over 10. Total amount is 2,000. Divide 200 into 3, 600 rupees. Son's got 600 rupees. Son's part is 600. Don't worry, I am going to do this ratio lesson this week. Don't worry, I will explain from the beginning. So next question, question number 20. Find the value of the angle marked X. So you know the concept exterior angle. It means this equals the sum of two interior opposite angles. So sum of two interior opposite angles, 3x plus x equals 120. Then you can write 4x equals 120. X equals 120 divided by 4. X equals 30. Then what about this 30 and this is x, this is 90. So we have to find the x here. 90 plus, you can write this one. Concept will write down, right? Our purpose is not only the questions learning the little bit theory parts related to the sum, not only doing the sum, right? So that's why I'm explaining like this. 3x plus x, then we can write exterior angle equal sum of two interior opposite angles. Then now look at this one. Interior angles of the triangle add up to 180. We are using that concept here. So we can write here 30 plus 90 plus x equals 180. So you can write angle sum of a triangle. So you can write 30 and 90, 120 plus x 180. X equals 180 minus 120, x equals 60 degrees. X is 60. Three times 3, 9 times 3, 27 times 3, 81. 1/4 into 1/4 into 1/4. 1/4 times 4, 16 times 4, 64. 36 into 9. 9 times 6. 9 times 3, 27, 27 and 5, 32. 324. Question number 22. Express as a power of quotient. Power of quotient. 16p squared 9. 4 squared p squared 3 squared. 4p 3 2. Here how? Here 9. 1/9 p squared 1 squared p squared 3 squared 1p 3. Twenty 23. Solve the following equations. From equation lesson also I have included some questions because we have done several times, right? 2 times 35, x equals, borrow this 2 to other side. Here division, so it's become multiplication. 35 into 2. X equals 70. Then it means when we were small, we have done like this. Even you can follow this method also. This side by 2, this side by 2. Equals equations, no? 70. If someone did like this, that is also correct. Next one. 3y plus 2 equals 11. Right, 3y equals 11. This is plus 2, borrow it to other side, minus 2. 3y equals 9. y equals 9 divided by, borrow this here, multiplication in between, other side, division, y equals 3. If not, according to the correct methods of equations, 3y plus 2 equals 11. Add the additive inverse to both sides, 3y plus 2 minus 2. If you add minus 2 to this side also minus 2. Cancel out. 3y equals 11 minus 2, 9. This side by 1/3, this side also by 1/3. Y equals 9 divided by 3, 3. Right? This is the correct procedure, but we are doing like this concept, this way also accepted, right? Next question, question number 24, decimals. Change into fractions. So 0.31, imagine one below the line, 2 decimal places. I want to remove these 2 decimal places, multiplied by 100, multiplied by 100. 1, 2, 31 over 1 into 100, 100. And here also below the line 1, multiplied by 100, multiplied by 100. 1, 2, 3 over 100. This one, 0.23 below the line 1. There are 2 methods of that. No need any method. You can just multiply them. You can separate the decimals. 5 times 3, 15, 1 remainder. 5 times 2, 10 and 1, 11. 5 times 3, 15, 1 remainder. 5 times 2, 10 and 1, 11. 2 decimal places, 1, 2. Then 1, 2, 1.15. 1.3 into 8. 8 times 3, 24. 2 remainder. 8 times 1, 8 and 2, 10. So 1 decimal place, 10.4. Simplify the algebraic expressions 5x plus 3y minus 4x minus y plus 8. 5x plus 3y minus 4x minus y plus 8. So 5x minus 4x x. 3y, 2y plus 8. X is 2 plus 2 into y minus 1. Minus 2 minus 2, 0. 0 plus 8. Answer is 8. Find the value of 2a minus b minus c. Six times 3, 18, minus 8, answer is 10. Then already we have finished the general paper 10. And I think you have complete knowledge about our sessions, previous sessions and all the things, because we have done now 10 papers, right? In the class, I supposed to do some provincial papers plus some term test papers, right? Then here I am going to do the general papers, right? Please get ready for the Google Form paper around 7 o'clock. Please all of you do the paper and submit to me. If someone didn't get the paper, please personally ask from me. I will submit, okay? Okay then, bye.